What is the difference between literary theory and literary criticism? Literary criticism is something which was done by the past poets and authors. For instance, literary criticism, the debate on poetry was first began by Plato, and then came Aristotle, Horace, Longinus, and then we move on to British literature, Philip Sidney, P.B. Shelley, William Wordsworth, John Dryden, father of English criticism. These critics were making the art of writing a lot better by giving suggestions on how to write a poetry or how to write a work. And they too implemented the same things which they have said about in their own you can say concepts. For instance, we have preface to Lyrical Ballad by William Wordsworth. Whatever he said, he preached in his all the poems. On the other hand, we have literary theory, which is done by the modern people. It all began with structuralism and then came the post-structuralism. You can say that literary criticism gave birth to theories. Literary criticism is a practical application, whereas theory is just an idea. Whenever we study literary theory, we are studying the ideas like Marxism, feminism, and using these ideas we are doing literary criticism of a work. Literary criticism is practical. For instance, you pick a book and you keep on reading and reading and reading for many weeks, months, years, and for many decades, and finally one day you will come up with some theory. You will understand that there is some idea that is prevalent along all the novels that has ever been written by the mankind, and you will become the founder of a new theory, just like we have Marxism, feminism, post-colonialism, psychoanalytical criticism, so on and so forth. When we study literary criticism in English literature, we are learning things practically. We learn how to write a poem. What is the importance of aestheticism in a poem? Whereas literary theories are the ideas which is invented by doing extensive literary criticism. For UGC-NET perspective, remember that literary criticism is something which is done by the poets who were in the past, and this literary theory is something which we are doing now in our PhDs and all. But again, literary criticism is something which produced literary theory. You keep on reading the works for many weeks, for many years, and you come up with some theories that is prevalent in all the novels. So this is the difference between literary theory and literary criticism. I hope you found the video worth your time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on UGC-NET English literature. That's it for this video. Thank you.